And tonight we are keeping a close eye on the House chambers in Washington, D.C. And that's where members of Congress right now are expected to vote on a resolution to condemn some of President Trump's tweets.
Now, you may have seen those tweets over the weekend as the president told 4 congresswomen to go back where they came from. Our Scott Swan joins us now live here in the studio with now a closer look at what the president had to say today when he was asked about it yet again.
Yeah, this continues to be a big story. President Trump is not backing off his comments despite finding some criticism. Congresswomen at the center of the tweet are all minorities. They've called the president's statements racist. But the president says the women hate America and that their comments are unacceptable. The president today doubled down on that claim during a cabinet meeting today.
The Democratic congresswomen should leave if they're not happy. Where should they go?
It's up to them. Go wherever they want, or they can stay. But they should love our country. They shouldn't hate our country.
Meantime, the president is now getting some support from Republican leadership who were mostly silent yesterday.
Well, the president's not a racist. The president's not a racist. And I think the tone of all of this is not good for the country.
The Senate Majority Leader says everyone involved in this controversy needs to tone down the temperature. The vote to condemn the president's tweet is expected to happen sometime tonight. We'll be watching it. Indiana Congressman Andre Carson co-sponsored this resolution. He is expected to vote in favor, saying, quoting here, President Trump's remarks further reveals his narrow-minded ideas about who belongs in this country. Now, we've reached out to all of Indiana's representatives, asking them how they plan to vote. Haven't heard back from most of them. However, just yesterday, Republican Representative Susan Brooks did issue a statement online calling the president's comments inappropriate. We'll stay on it, continue to watch it in D.C.
Still a lot of debate about it, and
You
as
bet.
you mentioned, we'll be watching for that vote tonight.
That's right.
Scott, thank you.
You bet.